Robin Andres and Angela Busing. Congratulations. Very good.
Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig ko ngayon. Una-una po sa lahat sa tulong mga fans na sumusuporta sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Hindi po namin magagawa ito kung wala po kayo sa tabi namin. Boss Emily, Boss Vic, Boss Vincent, and Boss Val. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala na binago niyo po na sobra yung buhay ko. Pero minsan, Nag-blessing ko sa sumami ko na pinagkakita ko. Kaya, sobrang siguro hindi ko magagawa at wala sa akin mo.
Once again, it's on you, team. Werewolf Boy. Once again, everybody, January 14 in cinemas nationwide. Lahat ng iniyak ninyo ngayong gabi, i-post nyo na para lahat manood ng sabay-sabay. Once again, the Werewolf Boy, January 14 in cinemas nationwide. Give it up for the Red Chris Santo Aquino, Robin Andres, and Angela Bucci, and the rest of the team, the cast, and the production of Werewolf Boy. Thank you, everybody, and have
Apat na beses ako umiyak. Apat?
Kaya ko na siya ng first day. Ha? Kanina nagulat ako. Yung bato.
Thank you so much.
Abang magsasalita ako.
Okay, I'd like to call on stage Charles, Sarah Johan Frost Sandoval. Hello, Charles Frost and Sarah. To walk on the red carpet after our special guest for this evening, we've got the second batch of our cast members, Francis Mata, Boaz Mariano, Omar.
Thank you so much po for coming here. And guys, just watch a Werewolf Boy. Super excited po kaming lahat. And yun, support natin ng Rob Jan. Let's go.
There you have it. Please invite them to watch it on January 14. Any representative? Go Frost!
And don't forget, January 14, mark your calendars and yung showing ng A Werewolf Boy. Bring your friends, your family, and your loved ones. Ayan.
One. Sarah Frost and Charles, thank you very much. You may proceed here on the side. Enjoy the films here inside the cinema. So cute. I'm like a cat. It's supposed to be a werewolf, but congratulations on your film. Sila po ang mga aabangan nating karakter sa pelikulang A Werewolf Boy. Sa lahat ng ticket holders, we can watch them later on. To walk on the red carpet up next, we have Carl Medina, O'Neil Torres, and Annika Ko. And this time, on stage, well, hello, and good evening.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming. Kaabang-abang po ito and we're so glad to be presenting it and we're so glad that it's out for the rest of the world to see. A Werewolf Boy.
Good evening to everyone. Thank you all for coming.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Sana po ay magustuhan ninyo ang aming munting pelikula, Werewolf Boy.
Congratulations po on your film. Now we want to know yung characters, nag-mix na yung Tagalog and English. Mga characters ninyo sa pelikula. Let's have a rundown of the characters.
Gagampanan ko po dito ang papel ni Dizon. He is one of the assistant doctors. At siguro, pinagbabasalamat ko po talaga na bukod sa
the one and only Miss Lorna Tolentino. Kaya big shout out to Director Santo for including me in this film, to Viva, and grabe, lahat ng mga artista dito. Kahit hindi ko sila naka-eksena, walang tapon, everybody's so great. Just enjoy the film, guys.
Yes, good evening to everyone and thank you very much for this